Check it out. Let's look at it. Yeah, let's look at it real quick.
Well, there he is.
Oh, it's for 6+, but you're only 3. I guess we're cheating. That's okay. The Terra remote control spider. Austin is pretty excited about it, aren't you, bud? Let Daddy open it, and then we'll put the batteries in, and then we'll be ready to go. What do you think?
Yes, the eyes light up.
The eyes light up?
His eyes.
Oh, they do light up. That's pretty cool. Well, let's check it out. Okay, here you go. And press the blue one. That's pretty cool, bud. What do you think?
Yes.
You like that?
He's looking at me.
He's looking at you?
Yes.
Do you like your spider?
Yes, I like my spider.
Is he pretty cool and pretty scary?
Yes, and pretty scary.
So scary. Spider.
Look at his red eyes.
Look at his red eyes. Oh, look, he's pushing the ball.
My spider waited for me to come back.
Yeah, your spider waited for you to come back. He was right where you left him. I'm sure he was happy to see you too as soon as you got home.
And now she's happy to see me.
That's right. Oh, very nice. Spooky spider.
Spooky spider.
What do you think of him? Do you like him?
Yes, I like him.
Is he pretty cool?
Yes, there's his eyes right there.
There's his eyes right there.
I named him Super. I named him Creepy Crawly.
Creepy Crawly because he's creepy.
Yes.